The cryptocurrency landscape, currently built on the foundations of classical cryptography, faces a potential paradigm shift: the advent of quantum computing. What was once a distant threat is now rapidly approaching, posing both unprecedented challenges and novel opportunities. This isn't merely a technological upgrade. It's a fundamental reevaluation of the security and infrastructure underpinning digital assets. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the entire blockchain ecosystem could be rendered vulnerable to quantum attacks, potentially invalidating the very principles of trust and decentralization upon which they are built. Understanding this threat and the proactive steps being taken to counter it is crucial for investors, developers, and anyone involved in the future of finance. We are at a critical juncture where foresight and adaptation are paramount. Let's dissect the quantum storm brewing on the horizon. Throughout history, cryptography has been in a constant arms race between code makers and code breakers. From the Enigma machine of World War II to the RSA encryption that secures much of the internet today, each advancement has eventually been surpassed. The development of public key cryptography was revolutionary, enabling secure communication without pre-shared secrets, the bedrock of current blockchain technology. However, quantum computing threatens to leapfrog these advancements. Shor's algorithm, for example, demonstrates the theoretical ability of quantum computers to efficiently factor large numbers, rendering RSA and other widely used public key cryptosystems obsolete. This historical context underscores a crucial lesson. Cryptographic security is not static. It requires constant vigilance and adaptation to emerging threats. The potential vulnerability of current cryptographic standards highlights the need for a proactive approach to quantum-resistant solutions, echoing the historical cycles of cryptographic innovation and compromise. Ignoring this historical trend could leave digital assets exposed to significant risks. The threat posed by quantum computing to cryptocurrency stems from its ability to efficiently solve problems that are computationally intractable for classical computers. Specifically, Shor's algorithm can break the public key cryptography that secures most cryptocurrencies. This algorithm leverages the principles of quantum mechanics, such as superposition and entanglement, to perform calculations in parallel, vastly accelerating the factorization of large numbers. When applied to Bitcoin, Shor's algorithm could compromise the private keys associated with public addresses, allowing an attacker to steal funds. While fully functional quantum computers capable of breaking current encryption are still under development, the theoretical vulnerability is undeniable. The mechanism of attack is complex, but the core principle is the exploitation of quantum mechanics to circumvent the mathematical hardness that underpins current cryptographic security. This is not a theoretical risk, but a practical vulnerability that needs to be addressed to ensure the long-term security of digital assets. Understanding this mechanism is crucial for developing and implementing effective quantum-resistant solutions. The threat posed by quantum computing to cryptocurrency stems from its ability to efficiently solve problems that are computationally intractable for classical computers. Specifically, Shor's algorithm can break the public key cryptography that secures most cryptocurrency. Cryptography was revolutionary, enabling secure communication without pre-shared secrets, the bedrock of current blockchain technology. However, quantum computing threatens to leapfrog these advancements. Shor's algorithm, for example, demonstrates the theoretical ability of quantum computers to efficiently factor large numbers, rendering RSA and other widely used public key cryptosystems obsolete. This historical context underscores a crucial lesson. Cryptographic security is not static. It requires constant vigilance and adaptation to emerging threats in the quantum-resistant cryptocurrency space. The key is to be informed, prepared, and adaptable in the face of this technological shift. Assess your current risk tolerance and adjust your portfolio accordingly, recognizing that the landscape is rapidly evolving. As we navigate the evolving landscape of quantum computing and its impact on cryptocurrency, several key metrics warrant close attention. Monitor the advancements in quantum computing technology, specifically the qubit count and coherence times of quantum computers. Track the development and adoption of quantum-resistant cryptographic algorithms, such as lattice-based cryptography and multivariate cryptography. Pay attention to the regulatory landscape surrounding quantum computing and its implications for digital assets. Stay informed about the progress of quantum-resistant cryptocurrencies and their market adoption. The future of cryptocurrency hinges on the ability to adapt to the quantum threat. By closely monitoring these metrics and proactively addressing the challenges, we can ensure a secure and resilient future for digital assets. The horizon is uncertain, but with vigilance and adaptation, the cryptocurrency ecosystem can thrive in the quantum age.